Did you know the Crackle finish has been around since the 13th century? The Moors discovered when they were making pottery that the coefficient of elasticity was different between the glaze and the clay, which caused it to crack to give us this fantastic finish. Over history, the Crackled finish has dropped in and out of popularity, but now it's back and it looks amazing in pottery and also in tile. If you don't know me, my name is Craig, and welcome to Tile Bar, the place where you can find anything you need in the tile and stone industry. Now, even though this crackled glaze finish is beautiful, it does come with a couple of drawbacks. You know, the glaze protects tile from staining. When this glaze cracks, there's a weakness in this finish. And so there's two things that you need to be aware of. Number one is grouting. When you grout this tile, the grout color particles can get in the fissures of the crackle. And if you're using a contrasting grout like a black grout and a white tile, that can create an unattractive finish. But there is a way to combat this. Now, all tiles and grouts are different, so I suggest a test, but take a grout release and install it before. Or you can pre-seal it with a high quality tile and stone sealer. Be aware there may need to be multiple coats to protect your tile fully. Then I suggest before you tile, take a piece of tile that's not being used, install your grout on it, clean it off, make sure you like the finish. If you don't, try the grout release, the pre-seal, multiple coats to get to the procedure that you need specifically for your installation. Now that that's over with, you need to protect your tile from dirt and contaminants, and that's done with a sealer. A normal tile and stone sealer is helpful. I'll leave my favorites in the comments below. This Crackle tile is going to add so much to your next project. Use our tips and tricks to protect it long term so you can enjoy it for the future. And if you need any more information, look no further than tilebar.com for all tile and stone needs. If you have technical questions, please leave them in the comments below. I look forward to answering them about Crackle tile or anything else. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I look forward to seeing you next time, and don't forget, tile the world.